Welcome back. This is Donald Sami again. We continue on the integral of question 2. So we have integral of x squared multiplied by the square root of x cubed plus 1 dx with the limits from 0 to 2. Okay, so we are doing u substitution. So here we are going to let this expression here in the square root x cubed plus 1, we'll let it to be u. So say u is equal to x cubed plus 1. So when you do the substitution, the next step is to differentiate. Okay, so what is the derivative of u with respect to u? It's 1. Now since it is in terms of u, you multiply by du. So 1 multiplied by du, you get du. So this is du is equal to, what is the derivative of x cubed? X cubed will be, derivative is 3x squared. So you get 3x squared. Derivative of 1 is 0. So since this is in terms of x, you multiply by dx. So multiply by dx. Now, if you look at our integral here, we have x squared and dx. Here there is x squared and dx. So it's just a matter of dividing out these 3. So to this you divide 3 to both sides of the equation. So you get this over 3 will be, it's 1 over 3 du equal to x squared dx. So where there is x squared dx, you substitute with 1 over 3 du. Okay, so let's continue. This is the integral. This is the integral from 0 to 2 of x squared and dx. We're going to have a du. So here square root of x cubed plus 1. X cubed plus 1 is u. So we are going to have square root of u. Then x squared dx is just du. Now it's 1 over 3 du. So this 1 over 3, you can write it outside the integral. So we are going to have 1 over 3, then the integral from 0 to 2 of square root of u du. Okay, so how do you integrate square root of u? Okay, so we know that for every square root there is a power of 1 over 2. So this is just u to the power 1 over 2. So how do you integrate that one? So the power is supposed to be added with a 1, then you divide the new power. So 1 over 2 plus 1, you get 3 over 2. So it will be 3 u to the power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Okay, so it will be u to the power 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. So this becomes it's 2 over 3 u to the power 3 over 2. Okay, so that's the integral. So here we have 1 over 3, then the integral of our square root of u, it is 2 over 3 u to the power 3 over 2. Then the limits from 0 to 2. Okay, then we know that where there is u, u is x cubed plus 1. So we replace with x cubed plus 1. Okay, so this number here, we can bring it outside. So it will multiply with 1 over 3. So 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3, you get 2 over 9. So this will be 2 over 9. Then in brackets here, we're going to have u is x cubed plus 1. And this should be to the power 3 over 2. And we have limits from 0 to 2. So the upper limit should subtract the lower limit. So for upper limit, where there is x, we put a 2. So if you put 2 there, we are going to have 2 cubed is 8. 8 plus 1, you get 9. So we have 2 over 9. Then in brackets here, we have, this is 9 to the power 3 over 2. Then minus, if you put a 0 there, 0 cubed is just 0, plus 1 you get 1. So we have 1 to the power 3 over 2. Okay, so we have 2 over 9. Then in brackets we are going to have 9 to the power 3 over 2. We know that if you have a fraction of power, the denominator is the root and the numerator is the power. So the denominator here is 2, so we are going to find the second root of 9, that's the square root. So square root of 9 is 3, then 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27. So you have 27 minus 1 to the power any number, it is just 1. Okay, 1 to the power any number, it is just 1. Because square root of 1 is 1. 1 to the power 3 is 1. So we have 1 there. So we have 2 over 9 multiplied by, what is 27 minus 1? You get 26. And what is 2 times 26? You get 52. So we have 52 over 9. So the integral of the product of x squared and square root of x cubed plus 1 with respect to x with limits from 0 to 2 is 52 over 9. Thank you so much for your time.